Hey guys, it's Paul today, and today I'm going to solve a Rubik's Cube. Um, mine may not be impressive as the ones that are out there already on YouTube, but I just wanted to put this out there. And if you want to time me, go ahead. I'll get around like a minute and 10, something around that. So yeah, if you do, put in the comments or whatever. And yeah, just putting this out there to solve it really fast, not really to go for a certain time or anything. So yeah, there you go. There you go. So yeah, if you time me, put it in the comments. Be great to know. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in my next video.